Welcome to another video from Natasha Lee. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple but very effective set of 50 shades of grey nails, including a handcuff and a tie design and some glitter nails. I'll put full details in the description of all the products that I've used today, but to start, once you've filed and cleaned your nails, it's time to apply your base coat. Once your base coat's dried, you're ready to go in with your first layer of red. For this I'm using a deep shimmery red, and this one is C&D Vinylux in Red Baroness. Once your first coat is dry, go in with your second coat. First I'm going to show you how to do the handcuffs, and for these I'm going to be using the Barry M Foil Effects nail paint, and this one's in silver. Now don't worry if it's not perfect, we're going to be outlining it in a moment. Now we're going to add some detail. For this I'm using Asphalt C&D Vinylux, but any dark grey would do. Again, take your fine detail nail art brush and we're just going to outline all the areas that we've just painted with the silver. Once you've outlined both parts of the handcuff, we're just going to add a little bit of detailing. And when you've done any nail art, I find it's always handy to have a little bit extra on your brush with the top coat, just because it stops you smudging your design. Now we're going to do our tie nail. So now we're just going to use our darker grey to add detailing all around our tie. Once you've outlined all of the tie, we're going to take a small amount of our polish on our brush and we're going to dab to create a shadow effect. If you feel you've applied a little too much of the dark shadowing, you can always add a little bit of the silver again to bring those highlights back. Now we're just going to apply our top coat. And here we have our finished set of our 50 Shades of Grey nails. And don't they look fabulous? So on my middle finger here, I've applied one layer of my CN Divine Luxe in Asphalt, and then I've applied 2 layers of the Orly Colour Blast, and that's in Gunmetal Chunky Glitter. And then on my pinky finger I've applied 1 layer of the Red Baroness CN Divine Luxe and gone over the top of it with the All That Jazz in Lipstick Is Our Obsession. Now this is a little hard to get hold of outside the UK and also inside the UK, so I'll put some alternatives in the blog for you in the description. But don't they just look fabulous?